Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to see and share your Spotify Wrapped. So let's get started. To view your Spotify Wrapped summary for 2023, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Scroll sideways to the top menu and select Wrapped. Tap on your Wrapped to see a vertical video structured like a social media story. Explore your listening history, including your most listened to genres, global streaming trends matching your taste, most played songs, top 5 songs, and your top songs of 2023 playlist. Save the playlist by tapping Add to Library. Discover the total minutes you've listened to Spotify this year, your top artists, minutes spent listening to them, and your top 5 artists. Experience a unique feature called Me in 2023, matching you with a character representing your listening habits. At the end of your overview, you'll find a summary story to share on social media, showcasing your artists, songs, minutes listened, and your top genre. Choose from 6 color schemes and tap share to share it on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and more. You can also download the image. To watch your Wrapped overview again, tap replay from the beginning. Skip to specific slides by tapping on the left or right side of the screen. Share individual slides by tapping share this story. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.